Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, December 6th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the NQ. So a couple of quick notes to start. I will not be here tomorrow. I won't be trading. There'll be no video in the morning. I'm going to try to do a video tomorrow afternoon after I come back and recap the day for myself, and I'll probably put one out tomorrow afternoon. The other thing is I've now gotten a handful of people who have taken me up on that offer for the annual subscription, $225 payable through Venmo or PayPal, 10% going to St. Jude's Children's Hospital. So I'd love for you to look. That's really a cheap price for a whole year. So come and join us. For more information, you can email me at paul@camelbacktrading.org. And also, please hit the like button every time you watch these videos. I'd really appreciate it. Very simple thing to do. Okay, what's going on here? Well, we're in a pretty good balance on the S&P, right? And the ES, and it's only a $6 balance. The longer we stay in it, the more energy we're going to come out of it, right? The teapot is starting to boil. Question is, which way is it going to go? Now, if history is any guide, we've done nothing but go bull, balance, bull, balance, bull. So will we continue that, or will we come out of it to the downside and knock out a lot of these latest longs that have come into the market? That remains to be seen. NQ, different story. Their balance on the daily, however, their weekly is down. Okay, that won't change until they take out a weekly high. We're still up in the S&P. And Righty, Righty barely took out yesterday's low. You can treat it as an inside day. So I would use this as a two-day balance. So if you come out of it to the downside, coming out of an inside day, we'll see if there's any energy to take back this triple distribution day. If we take it out to the upside, we'll see if there's any energy to get going again to the and keep the daily up. So that's the key there in Righty. As far as the game plan for ourselves, well, right off the bat, look at this. Talk about a poor high at 90 and a quarter. 3 time frames we've traded there, so we have a poor high there. We've spent the majority of the overnight above yesterday's range, certainly with high value. The POC is still a downside destination, okay? So again, if we fail up here and get any acceptance back into M's range and value, you'll go trade it. So we'll see. Now remember, yesterday's high is not our balance high. Here's your balance high. Here's a level I thought we might trade at yesterday, only to have D period liquidate, and that, you know, totally disrupts what the algos were trying to do at that time, right? Just spent the whole day just meandering about inside of D's range. So now we'll see a day later if we do what I thought we might try to do yesterday. And the reason I'm saying that is we didn't spend any time here, right? We shot up with the trend day up, and then the following day we opened below it. So those single prints are null and void, but no volume was really done here, as you can see. So I'm just curious to see if we try to fill in some volume in there. So game plan for this morning. Right here there's nothing, because yesterday's high is not a reference point I would want to short. It's not meaningful to me, right? It's not the balance high or anything. So at this juncture with 75 minutes to go, really nothing here. If you were to pull back, you want to take a long against the overnight low, that's not a bad risk reward. You see if all this volume, look, there's a tremendous amount of volume here. Look at this. Haven't seen that in a while. Look at all these 40,000. I'm in one tick increments. Look at all these 40,000 contract bars. So we should not easily get through this. So if you want to take a long somewhere around the overnight open and use the overnight low as you're out, that's not a bad risk reward, right? You don't have much you're risking there. On the flip side, if it does come up, you want to front run the overnight high, that's fine also, because like I said, I think, you know, we might spend some time. I said between 86 and 92. So if you short, what is our overnight high? If you short anywhere around 88, 89, again, you could use 92, 92 and a half as you're out if we get above it. All early plays. I'm on the mic all day talking about this. Oh, and one other huge feature. I live stream this profile for free. This costs me a lot of money a month. Okay? So not only are you getting this room for $225 for the year or $30 a month, you're also getting this for free, which costs a lot more than that per month. And then on the chart. So the weekly for us is one time framing up. This is week 6. Again, I have said in the past, I don't mind coming into balance on the weekly. Now, Monday and Tuesday, both days, looked like we had an opportunity to take out last week's low, and then we rallied off of it and never got near it. So we'll see how today pans out. And the daily, this is what we're talking about. 9-day balance coming into today. This will be the start of a 10-day balance. At some point, do we resume bull above Friday's high, or do we go bear below Thursday's low? All remains to be seen. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.